What is up, guys? I am back on this 50-foot Hatteras Gratitude. And we've got a little bit of damage to the back here. I've ground this out and chipped all the crap in the crack and threw on some epoxy, some West Systems epoxy. Let that dry and I'll come back, sand it with some 80, 100 grit, that kind of thing. Use a little more filler if I have to. And then we've got a couple of grazing spots on the side here. This little chip here. And Will, just so you know, I just went ahead. I figured you'd say go ahead and do it, but I found a couple other chips here in your window. And where else? Right here and here, which looks like it's just coming from these ropes along the top. And these chips here. So I just went ahead and did it. We have the material, we have the stuff to do it, so I just went ahead and did these chips. I'll talk about any difference in costs. I'm sure you're good for it. So, but moving right along, we're looking pretty good. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You'll get notifications for this and for other jobs as they progress. Appreciate your time. Thanks.